What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So we're in the garage. It's freaking brick outside. Super cold. You know how it is, February. So today I want to do a little bit of a comparison. I end up opting to buy the Boomerang Endplates from Battleaero. They came yesterday, so I was so excited. Put the stickers nice and, see that? Parallel, you know what I'm saying? You know how your boy is. So right now, I have these Time Attack Endplates, which are pretty dope, but you know, I mean, I wanted to try out the Boomerang one to kind of more match my style of the aggressive nature of this car. So I'm gonna put that one on the driver's side. I'm gonna pull it out real quick, and you guys let me know what you think. You know what I mean? Obviously, guys, in the package, we got the Boomerang Endplates. And Battleaero, they send some stickers and whatnot, as you can see it right here. And let's do that. Let me just, I'm gonna just pop this side on over here on the driver's side, and we'll see how it goes. All right, guys. So you guys saw everything I did, put on the stickers, the whole nine, because you know I'm expecting everything to work out. But just my luck. Look at this bullshit. Ready? Look where the holes match up to. The holes match up. And look what happens right here. God darn it, man. So what ended up happening, guys, I end up contacting Battleaero, and they didn't get back to me for a couple days. When they got back to me, they were like, the Boomerang Endplates does not fit for the F1. And I was like, there is nowhere on your site that actually alludes to that information. You know what I'm saying? So now, just a freaking waste of $70 or whatever the case might be. And I showed them some screenshots and whatnot, so they couldn't charge me like, you know, like a fee to take it back. So they were like, all right, send it back. But now I'm like, damn, I really like these Endplates. So what I'm thinking about doing is doing a little MacGyvering myself and trying to figure this shit out. Now, I can just adjust it up a little bit, and guess what? The same plugs that you guys saw in a previous video for what? For plugging the hole, the smallest plug in the set, I'm pretty sure it might fit this. I'll have to test fit it. So I can just run it up right here until it's like flush with the wing itself. And just put a hole right in there. And just plug the other hole. That should look freaking dope, man. I like it. I like it. Let's see what happens. All right, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I put a piece of tape right here, put a piece of frog tape right here. I'm gonna put the pen and hold it steady right over this hole, and at the same time, I'm gonna move the plate upward, and wherever it stops, that's where I'll be making the point to drill. You feel me? All right, guys, so success. The hole came out pretty awesome. That little pen and frog tape trick worked really well. I tend to have a knack for eyeballing things. The sticker I'm gonna have to take off, and I'm gonna have to put a brand new one a little more towards the end, as you can see over here. Now, as I was mentioning earlier, these are the plugs right here that I put up from the last video. When I did the wing, the smallest plug in the set, so don't worry, I'll leave it in the description so you can check it out. All you do is you press it in, and then you just take a pry tool, just massage the bottom ridge in like so, and then press it at the end. When you're done, you turn it over and you make sure the entire ridge comes through properly. once that's done, you know it's totally sealed. And it's not gonna go, yep, there you go. Just, yep, there you go. Tap it with this, tap it like, click it with your finger. And now there it is, a nice, beautiful little donut. And there you go. It's very, it's pretty low key. I like it, man. These rubber plugs are pretty cool. As I said, and from the last video, they're really good as a waterproof option for your trunk. They're firewall plugs, but they have an alternate option, and they're grease and oil resistant too. It's pretty awesome, man. So anyway, so now what I'm gonna do is now take the other end plate that's in this bag right here, just match it up and drill. Now guys, once you guys start off, you're gonna start off with a small bit wherever you make the mark and increase the size up until a 1/4 inch drill bit. And that'll be perfect. You feeling me? There you go, fam. Perfect hole on the other side. All right, I'm gonna put on the stickers real quick and put it on. I'm gonna have to back the car in because it's like pretty dark outside, damn it. All right, here we go. All right, fam, there it is. I backed in the car because it's freezing and it's dark out. So what I'm gonna do is we'll come back tomorrow. I'm gonna put the other end plate on the other side because I wanna see it in the, you know, in daylight. And I'm running out of battery. So also you could barely see where I plugged it to. Look how nice and seamless it looks. All right, tomorrow. All right, guys, next day. Look at this bullshit. All right, let me just move the Bruce out of the way, and I'm gonna just pull this up so we can just do a quick comparison. All right, guys, so pull them out here real quick. This is a comparison of both. So you got the Boomerang Endplate right here, which I think kind of like fills in the side of it. And this is a Time Attack. The Time Attack looks pretty good. Obviously you can see it. It's just a shorter type end plate. I like how the Boomerang one looks because, as I said, it fills in the side nicely. Gives it that more aggressive flair. You know what I'm saying? So I think I'm gonna slap the other one on real quick. Yep. All right, guys, real quick to close up. I chose the Boomerangs because they fill up the sides. They're a lot more aggressive than the Time Attack, even though the Time Attack does look good. So definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. And I will talk to y'all soon. Let me get this boy back in the garage. Snow never hit this car before. Peace.